Chess lovers, I have a very beautiful attacking game for you played by Mikhail Tal. The name of his opponent is unknown and the game was played in 1975 in Berlin. This was a chess simul and Mikhail Tal started with e4, c5 by black, Sicilian defense, knight f3, e6, d4, c takes d4, knight takes d4, a6, black is going for Khan variation, bishop d3, knight f6, white castles kingside, queen c7, king h1, white is moving away the king from this g1 a7 diagonal, preventing any possible unpleasant checks and is preparing f4, d6, and there it goes f4, knight d7, knight d2, bishop e7, knight f3, black castles kingside, queen e2, white is now preparing e5, knight c5, and there it goes, we see e5, d takes e5, f takes e5, kicking away the knight, knight d7, and bishop g5, offering an exchange of dark square bishops. White wants to get rid of this bishop which is controlling the g5 square, and at some point white can go for bishop takes h7 check, and then knight g5 and queen h5 going for mating lines. Overlooking Tal's next threats, black played knight takes e5. Well, it was better to play queen d8. If bishop takes e7, then queen takes e7, still controlling the g5 square. But instead, after bishop g5, we see knight takes e5, which steps into a very sharp and long tactical line. And it turns out that in the end of the day, this is going to be winning for white. We see bishop takes e7, knight takes f3, rook takes f3, and queen takes e7. We have reached a critical position, and now you can pause the video and try to find Mikhail Tal's next moves. Ready? He played bishop takes h7 check, king takes h7, and now the rook goes on h3 square with a tempo giving a check. King g8, and a very important move by Mikhail Tal, knight f5. This knight is coming to support white pieces. By the way, if you play queen h5 straight away, then black can play f5, opening up an escaping route for a king. That's why after king g8, Tal is first playing knight f5, queen g5. Well, if queen d8, then this is simple, queen h5. If f6 trying to escape, then this time the knight can come and support white pieces. If g takes h6, then queen g6 check and black king is getting checkmated. Or if king h7, then knight f7 check, king g8, knight h8, controlling this f7 square. Of course, white should go for a mate, no need to capture black queen. If rook e8, then this time queen f7 checkmate. Let's go back. But after knight f5 we see queen g5. Looks like that after queen h5 black can exchange the queens and this is going to be over. In the end of the day black will be a piece up. But anyways, we see this queen h5 move, and believe it or not, but in this position black resigned. The thing is that right now white is threatening checkmate in one, and also the queen is hanging. And if a move like queen takes h5, then instead of recapturing, white has this powerful Zwischenzug, knight e7 check, and after king h7, white is capturing on h5, and this is a checkmate. What a game! This is just amazing how deep were Mikhail Tal's calculations. If you enjoyed this brilliant game, don't forget to give the thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. More games are coming. Good luck.